on page 4, you have following box that says, this is the division statement for division by x minus a. And we've actually done this in all of our examples so far. But the division statement, which I think is easy to remember, your polynomial is equal to your divisor times your quotient plus your remainder. And I always think of ice cream when I write this. Polynomial is dq plus r. And if we look at the example that we just completed, right, we wrote out the division statement, what it meant in the end. This is your polynomial. It's equal to what you divided by. Q is your quotient, or your answer, because we use the word quotient for an answer that you get when dividing, plus your remainder. So the P equals dq plus r is just a way to help us remind us how to write out the answer that we got from our division. So here's our second example. We want to divide 3x to the 4 minus x cubed plus 3x minus 20 by x plus 2. We think about our setup. We have to write it in the right order, and we have to add zeros if things are missing. So in this one, we're dividing by x plus 2. Oh, there we go. We'll start off right away by using the same colors I've been using the whole time. We're divided by x plus 2. We have a 3x to the 4 minus x cubed. Notice that there's no x squared in this one. So what we're going to do for that second part of the setup is we are going to write plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 20. That 0x squared is important because we need to hold a column space, because when we do our math, x squareds are going to show up. So again, our first number is 3x to the 4. What would you have to multiply x by to get 3x to the 4? You would have to multiply by 3x cubed. So above our x cubed column, we're going to write 3x cubed. We then multiply that 3x cubed times the x, 3x cubed times the 2, plus 6x cubed. Put it in brackets and subtract. This will be 0. Negative minus 6 will be negative 7x cubed. Now we still have plus 0x squared plus 3x minus 20. We have a new first term. Our new first term is minus 7x cubed. What would you have to multiply x by to get the minus 7x cubed? You'd have to multiply by a 7x squared. So by putting our 0 there, we kept a column for x squared. And when I multiply now, I'm going to get negative 7x cubed, and negative 7x squared plus 2 is minus 14x. Subtract 0 minus a negative will be positive 14x plus 3x minus 20. And now I'm going to get you to finish this one on your own. I'll put up the answer in a bit. All right, let's see how you did. Squared there. Did you catch that mistake? That's the x squared. So now, what would you have to multiply the 14x squared by? 14x. 14x times 2 would be plus 28x. Put it in brackets and subtract. Go to a new color. Now, last, we've got minus 25x. multiply by minus 25. This will give me minus 25x, and 25 times 2 minus 50. Subtract. Get a remainder of plus 30. This one says write the division statement. So your division statement and one of the things that's going to make writing our division statement a little less tedious is to do the following. Go to the beginning of your equation, put the polynomial in brackets, and above it, if you write, let p of x equal that, then when you write your division statement, instead of rewriting the whole thing, you're allowed to just say p of x is equal to, in this question we had x plus 2 as our divisor, and our quotient, or our answer, if we go up, is 3 minus 7, 14. 3x cubed minus 7x squared plus 14x minus 25 with a remainder of 30. This is our division statement. I'd like you to circle 3b and 7. And for the last 10 minutes in class, I want you to do those questions. And if you get them done, start working on your identities pretest.